Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to turn on animations in our menu in Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. Right now our phone menu animations are turned off. As you can see, everything appears instantly without fading. So, how to turn our animations back on? We have to go to settings, then we are looking for accessibility options right here and visibility enhancements. And here it is. Remove animations option is turned on. What does it do? Prevent some screen effects, useful if you're sensitive to animation or screen movement. So we uncheck this little box and now we have our animations back. It's everything smooth again as it was by default. So I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.